Kia ora te whānau and welcome to Matariki Madness. It's the second edition to this Matariki collection. Last year's designs were Rehe Ko, Rere Ke and Koutou Bro. And this year we are concentrating on karu, riri and kapo. For this year's collection we wanted to concentrate on the atua Tawhiri Mātea and his relationship to Matariki. If you know this story, Tawhiri Mātea was unhappy with his siblings for separating his parents, and in that anger he tore his eyes out, crushed them and threw them into the sky. And they are the 9 whetū of Matariki, which we would call ngā mata o te ariki o Tawhiri Mātea. And the reason why we're looking at these kupu is to look at our relationship with Tawhiri Mātea as humans, and how we have that same anger that can blind us at times. So riri is the word for anger and kapo is the name for blind. So we're talking about that, and there's a lot of sensory pieces that are in our designs. The biggest part of this design is that we wanted to look at darkness as a place of growth. That when you're in the dark or you're in dark times, it's usually when you do a bit more growing, when you're trying to find te ao marama. So a lot of the pieces that we have designed are quite dark. They have a black on black prints, but we've also brought in a technique of puff additive to our design, which embosses the prints. That is a relationship that we kind of wanted to have to almost like braille. Like you're feeling the pieces in the whetū within the garment, and you can feel where that riri is. So that's something really cool that we wanted to do. Next to the clothing collection, I wanted to illustrate a piece based on Tawhiri Mātea. So I've illustrated an art piece that will become part of the collection also, to show you the human aspect of that atua, and that's why we created that piece. We're really happy the way these designs and concepts came out, and we hope that you love them too. There were a few arguments making this collection, but we got through it in the end. We worked our way through that darkness, so we hope you enjoy. Cheers.